Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another quick and fun video. In this video we are going to unboxing a handbag from Teddy Blake. I know this company a few years ago. In recent years I see they are updated their own design and they come out their own unique design handbag. I was very impressed. So this time they reached out to me to ask me to work with them and asked me to pick the bag that I like to try out. So I did pick one handbag. The one I picked is the style of the Kim Stapleton 9-inch. This bag comes with the 3 sizes. I remember when I was choosing the handbag from their website, they have the 9-inch, 11-inch, and 14-inch. So of course I picked the smallest one I want to try out and see how it works. And I also picked the color that I don't have in my collection. So in today's video we are going to look at this bag together. I also will show you the capacity of this mini handbag and also will insert some model shots. So let's do it. I received the box like that. Inside they have their own box. So let me just pull out. So here is the box. From the box you can see this is not a big bag. So it's right here and saying this is a designer handbag made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flattering your everyday fashion choice. So this is Teddy Blake, New York. Okay, so here they are, and this is the bag, come like that. This is the dust bag. It's a mini bag. So here we are. This is the bag. So this is the size 9-inch, which is the smallest one. The color is the camel brown. This is the color that I don't have in my collection, so I picked this color. The Teddy Blake is based in New York, and all their handbags are made in Italy by using the Italian leather. So let's look together the details. As you can see, it is a very structured bag. And then let me just take out the tag. The one I picked is in the gold hardware. So this one, the feature of this handbag, as you can see, this is the camel brown color with the grand cow skin leather. The leather is very durable, pebble leather. And the front, you can see they have the turn lock, and if you turn this 2 sides, and you can just open like this. So in here it has a little bit of detail. You see this, there are 3 boxes, so you can adjust it. If you want to close the bag a little bit tight, you can use the inside the box. If you want to loose a little bit, then you can use as a second box. And if you want a little bit expand it, then you can use the first box. I think this is kind of like adjustable closure. You can close tighter if you want to. So this is the reason I picked this one. But most of the time I think I won't even close this. I will just leave it like that. So this one is just direct close and open, which is very easy to in and out. So this one doesn't have the back pocket, however it does have the 4 feet, which I think this is an awesome design. For the leather bag, I rather to have one has a feet, so this has that feature. We are open like this. So they come with the removable strap, and here let me take out the paper. So interior is like this. It's a suede leather. Back has the back pocket. It does come with the removable strap, as you can see, and this strap is adjustable. So most likely I will make to the shortest length. So this bag you can wear as a handhold. It is the top handle bag, and it does look very classic, because I like the top handle bag, and also it is a very structured bag, as you can see. And you also can wear as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody. Now if you wear the crossbody for this type of the bag, you will look a little bit casual. Handhold always my first choice, and the second choice is the shoulder bag. I forgot to mention on the bottom they also put their company name. Here is the Teddy Blake, New York. So now let's do the capacity, see how this mini bag can fit. I will put all my essentials into this bag, see if it can fit everything. So let me quickly to show you the capacity of this bag. Since the interior is a suede leather, so I like to use a bag organizer. I will use the bag organizer for this bag. However, for today's video, I will not use the bag organizer. I just let you guys see how exact the capacity is this bag. So I will fill out everything and I will show you the screenshot how much things you can fit. So I will start with a Victorian wallet, which is kind of big, right? But it's a small bag. I shouldn't use that bag. And the key pouch, coin, another card holder. This is the pocket organizer, and I have the 6 key holder. Let me put my iPhone 11. Now I also have a reading glasses. And this is a 1 lipstick case. Everything in this bag, and I'm very impressed that this can hold so many. Like that. Still have the structure. And here's everything. Let me give you the screenshot for everything inside the bag. So here all the everything can fit into this mini bag. How awesome it is. I'm very impressed. So now we finished the capacity, and I'll also show you some model shots during this video, and overall, what do you guys think for this bag? For me, this is a very nice bag to try it, as this style still look like Hermes Kelly. If you never tried those handbags, you can start with this bag, see how you feel it. Do you feel comfortable to use this type of the bag, or you don't like this type of the bag? They do give me $30 coupon for you guys, so I will link in my description box. You guys can take a look. And for this price, with this quality leather and the craftsmanship, I think that it's worth to try. So this is all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.